What's up, guys? It's Kelly Shalal, registered dietitian behind Hungry Hobby, and you guys said that you really liked the Costco grocery haul video that I did, so I'm doing another one, and this time for Sprouts. I mentioned in that video that I rotate grocery stores, so I only go once a week unless I have to stop and pick up something for recipe development, but typically I only go once a week, and I do a rotation of Sprouts, Trader Joe's, Costco, and then sometimes something else like Target or Safeway. So I have some of my groceries here, and I'm going to show you what I got. So first up, I got some tuna. I bought this tuna because what I plan to make is a recipe for the baby, and it's no salt added. So this is sustainable seas, and it was the only one I could find that was no salt added. I already took these out. We do non-dairy yogurt for Paul, so these are, for baby cow. So these are so delicious non-dairy yogurts. So I just get all different flavors. So there's that. Kiwis are in season if you read my February produce guide. So I'm hoping baby cow will eat some kiwis. I got some Cheerios because I feel like he's ready for Cheerios. Definitely past the teething. Some pasta. Ooh, now, I usually get cashew waffles for the baby. We rotate between like toast and waffles for snacks and breakfast, stuff like that. But the Vans were on sale, so Vans it was. They were 2 for something, so I got a gluten-free version and a Power Grains version. And some riced cauliflower for a couple recipes this week. I got a purple sweet potato, 1 purple sweet potato. Baby loves purple sweet potatoes. He's not so good with orange ones, like he's okay with them, but he loves the purple ones. Some RX bars for when I'm teaching and I don't have a very big break. Some pre-prepped cauliflower. Not about to cut the cauliflower off my own head of cauliflower. It's too messy. Epsom salt was on sale. So they were 2 for $8, which is a great deal. So I got 2 of those. So that is the first bag. I'm gonna put this away and then start the next bag because otherwise I'm gonna be overloaded. Okay, next bag. I got just 1 pound of ground turkey. I'm going to attempt to mix this ground turkey with pre-cooked lentils from Trader Joe's and make little meatloaves like I normally do, but with beans mixed in. Spinach, we do a ton of spinach in our smoothies and literally everything else. Got a red bell pepper. Oh, I did get some more fruit. Mandarins are also pretty close to in season, and he likes those, so I got those for the baby. Some pre-cut up broccoli to roast. A billion bags of baby carrots, because some of them I'm gonna steam for the baby, some of them will go in Mr. Hungry's lunch, some of them I'll eat. More cauliflower. Frozen green beans, mostly I always keep frozen veggies in the freezer, mostly for the baby. A billion things of zucchini. What will I do with these? I'm actually gonna mix these in a pasta dish, and I've got some ideas for them for a healthy quesadilla recipe. Pears. Okay, I guess I lied. I got a lot of fruit. And a ton of bananas because that is my favorite fruit in the entire world. And if you think bananas have too much sugar in them for you, I will link a post or just search Hungry Hobby, bananas bad for you. And I have a whole post about that. So they don't have too much sugar. They actually have less than an apple depending on the size. So there's that. Okay, I'm here with my last bag, and this is the fun bag. It's a recipe development bag, but also I'm part of a Sprouts partnership program where I get to try some new products by different companies. They send me coupons for that, so that's pretty cool. So I'm gonna share with you some of those, but before I get to that, I wanted to make a note. Okay, all my bags are butcher box bags because I get any meat that I can from them. So that's why the only meat that you see me buy today is ground turkey, because they actually don't provide ground turkey, at least where I live in Arizona. This is a butcher box bag too, but it's like so old, like from when they very first started. It doesn't even have the logo on it. So, but these bags are amazing. But they did switch to recyclable materials for their packaging, which they used to package in these, and so you don't get them anymore. A couple things I got to try through the Sprouts partnership program is Silver Hills. I picked the sprouted power bread, so that should be good. I've actually tried this Northern Bakehouse bread, which is made by the same company and is also a deal. Before, it's dairy and egg free, and I ate it a ton when I was on an MSPI diet, which you can just, it's milk soy protein intolerance, which the baby had. but now he only has milk and eggs. But anyways, I'm excited to try this. I got some tortillas for a healthy quesadilla recipe. Chilies and adobo sauce I'm gonna film a video for my shrimp tacos with creamy chipotle adobo or chipotle sauce, and it's bomb, and it uses a whole can of these. Bunch of herbs because I always need herbs. A for the pictures to make them look nice, but also in cooking. I'm also gonna film a video for my quinoa mac and cheese, so I got some quinoa and a bunch of stuff to go with that. So that has non-dairy yogurt, or has dairy yogurt in it, and then I just use like almond milk or whatever for that. And what else? Oh, this is for the taco recipe too, for shrimp tacos. I love these tortillas. These are my favorite. But I don't think they're big enough to make a quesadilla out of, which is why I bought different tortillas for the healthy quesadilla recipe. They're not perfect. They do have a few preservatives in them, but overall I like them and they're locally made, so that's a win. And let's see, tuna for me, because I'm gonna make my tuna cakes. And I'm gonna film an IG recipe for that. I'm here for you guys. This is something I also got to try through the program. So these are Soulful Project hot cereal, hearty grains and seeds, rolled oats, oat bran, red quinoa, flaxseed, and chia seeds. Super excited about that. Basically makes like your overnight oats, if you wanna make overnight oats, like a lot easier, because you just have to deal with this and whatever protein and fruit versus putting a bunch of stuff in, so yum. Sweet potatoes for those tuna cakes. Onions for all recipes. It's been like 4 recipes I'm filming this week. And what else do I get to try? Oh, I'm trying this Nutso keto butter. I'm not super into keto, you guys know this, but I think healthy fats are always a win. So this is almonds, coconut, Brazil nuts, pecans, macadamia, flaxseed, chia seeds. Celtic sea salt would be great for seed cycling in the first half of the cycle, which if you don't know what that is, check out the highlight on my profile. Bunch of cheese, again, healthy quesadillas, quinoa mac and cheese that I'm making. I know there was like 5 other recipes I needed cheese for, so there's that. I'm also working on developing a casserole recipe with the bonza pasta. It's gonna have ricotta in it and mozzarella on top, and it's gonna have a bunch of those veggies in it. And hummus, that goes in my spicy tuna quinoa, or my spicy tuna cakes, although I'm gonna make a regular version for the baby, which is why I got that no salt tuna. And I get to try this roasted garlic, cashew, and almond dip. So that is gonna be yummy. I'm excited about that. And what else? Got a jalapeno, that's for the tuna cakes. There's mayonnaise in the creamy chipotle sauce. So mayonnaise, and crushed tomatoes is for my baked ziti recipe that I'm working on. So that's kind of how it goes. It takes me forever to meal plan because I'm meal planning for the family, but also figuring out what I'm photographing, filming, need to put on what to eat meal plans, etc. that week, but I get it figured out, and then I split up my groceries, but we eat everything I make. A bunch of you said under the Costco, or at least one of you, I don't know, under the Costco grocery haul that you just wanted to know like if I like the products, the new stuff that I tried. So I'm gonna delay this post and I will let you know as I try through the month what stuff I love and what stuff I didn't quite love, and all the recipes I make, and just put a post together so that I can link on that for you guys, okay? So thanks for watching, and the next one will be a Trader Joe's video. So I hope you guys like these. If you think they're boring, let me know, but the majority of you love the Costco one, so there we go. And I hope you guys have a good rest of your day. I'm gonna go put this stuff away. All right, bye guys.